Hello, my friend Coach Dre here, coming to you live from Jacksonville, Florida, all geared up to give you more insight on how to exponentially grow your business, your results, and your income. And today, in this short video, I want to share with you how the AIDS epidemic may not be good for your body, but it is great for your business. How the AIDS epidemic may not be good for your body, but is absolutely outstanding, phenomenal for your business. What I've come to find over my 12 years of being in business, almost 13 now, my 12 years of being in business, especially my 8 years of struggle, is that I was really lacking four key ingredients to my success. And it hindered me for a very long time. If you know anything about my story, I started out in this business when I was 18 years old, still in the United States Army, and I struggled for a number of years up until the point where I was out of the Army, actually homeless, didn't have any relationship with my small children at the time, and just didn't really know where to go in life. Always trying to figure out where was going to be my next meal, where I was going to lay my head in order to stay dry in the city of Jacksonville, all of these different things. And I came to find that I was lacking four different things, and they happen to, once I implemented them in my business, they happen to not only grow my business, not only grow my income, not only grow my results, but absolutely impact my life in a phenomenal way. And those things, that thing I like to call the AIDS epidemic. And I will assure you that if you take the AIDS epidemic and you allow it to really just infiltrate your life, infiltrate your business, you'll see phenomenal results in a rather small amount of time. So let's jump into the AIDS epidemic. And if you stay to the end, I have a free gift for you that is absolutely going to blow your business wide open. Trust me on that. So, the AIDS epidemic, number one, you want to ask. You want to be asking questions. Look, here's the reality. The best answers come from the best questions. The other side of that is if you don't ask questions, you don't get answers. That's just how the world works. In order to find something out, you have to ask the right questions. And more importantly, you have to ask the right questions to the right people. So if you want success in your business, if you're struggling in a different area, you probably want to find the people that are having the results that you want in the area that you want and ask them the right questions, approach them and ask them the right questions so that they can give you answers that will clarify some things and help you to move along the path of your future success. Number two, you want to invest. Here's the thing, if you're already asking the right people the right questions, why don't you go ahead and invest in an opportunity to work closer with them and to find out more about their business and how they're being successful so you can then model those things? One thing I learned from Tony Robbins is the fact that if you want to achieve success faster, you simply find individuals that are having the type of success you want and simply model their efforts, simply model what they do. And that is a time tested truth in business, in life, and most definitely when it comes to creating the future, the lifestyle that you desire and deserve. So, number one, you want to ask. Number two, you want to invest. And there's no use of asking questions, no use of investing if you don't do number three, which is dedicate yourself to consistent action. Dedicate yourself to consistent action. And when I say dedicate, I don't mean and dedicate to consistent action. I don't mean just deciding or dedicating to do something one or two times a week or three or four times a week. You have to be dedicated to consistently putting forth the proper actions every single day in every aspect of your life in order to get the results that you want. So, number one, you want to ask. Number two, you want to invest. Number three, dedicate yourself to action because dedication to action is what's going to get you results. And then once you get the results, you simply do number four, which is scale those results. you start to dedicate yourself to action and you're making $10, you then want to take part of that $10 and scale your effort so you can make $20. You want to make $20 and take part of that and invest back into your business to scale your business, grow your business, and get to that next dollar amount, get to helping more people, get to impacting more lives, and of course, get to growing your business. So, in a nutshell, you want the AIDS epidemic. You want to adopt the AIDS epidemic in order to really infiltrate, in order to really, what is the word I want to use? In order for it to be infectious, not only in your business, not only in your life, but in the business and the lives of the people that are waiting on you to share your products, your services, your assistance with them to impact their lives in a greater way too. So go ahead, take this information, apply it into your business today. And just because you stayed to the end, I want to give you free access to the Internet Cash Flow Checklist. The Internet Cash Flow Checklist is going to show you, bar none, the same information I use on a daily basis to coach my successful coaching clients all over the globe on how to generate more leads and create more of an income online by selling more of your products and services. Go ahead and get instant access today just by clicking the link below on my blog. If you're not on my blog, watching this on Facebook, watching this on YouTube, first of all, I want you to share and comment, and also go ahead and go to www.coachdre.com and it'll pop right up for you and you can get access to the Internet Cash Flow Checklist that way as well. Until the next time, this is Coach Dre letting you know that help is here if you need me. All you have to do is reach out. And if you think phenomenal, speak phenomenal, and take phenomenal action, you will become a phenomenal entrepreneur. Go ahead and get access to the Internet Cash Flow Checklist now. Have a blessed day.